Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an effective email newsletter. First, define your target audience and their interests to ensure your content resonates. Set clear goals, whether it's increasing engagement by 20% or driving 10 new sales leads each month. Decide on a consistent sending frequency, perhaps weekly or bi-weekly, so subscribers know what to expect. Finally, craft a compelling subject line, aiming for an open rate of at least 25% to encourage recipients to click and read. Now, let's talk about creating content that truly captivates. Always provide valuable and relevant information that your audience will appreciate. Mix up your content with engaging text, high-quality images, and even short videos to keep things visually interesting. Every newsletter should include a clear call to action, guiding your readers on their next step, like visiting a specific page. Personalize your content whenever possible. Addressing subscribers by name can increase engagement by 26%. Next, focus on the visual appeal and functionality of your newsletter. Ensure your design is clean and mobile responsive, as over 50% of emails are opened on mobile devices. Maintain consistent branding by using your logo, brand colors, and fonts throughout. Select a reliable email marketing platform that offers intuitive design tools and automation capabilities. Before hitting send, always test your newsletter across different email clients and devices to catch any display issues, ensuring a flawless experience for everyone. Finally, let's discuss sending and continuous optimization. Segment your email list to send highly targeted content, which can boost click-through rates by 50%. Schedule your newsletter for optimal open times, typically Tuesday through Thursday mornings, between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. After sending, diligently monitor key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Use a /B testing to refine elements like subject lines and calls to action, continuously improving your newsletter's performance over time for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.